a country located between two continents, where you can enjoy tea on the European side and have your meals in Asia just a short walk away. This nation is home to the largest spice markets in the world, beautiful Mediterranean beaches, and over 13 UNESCO World Heritage Sites brimming with the intrigue. Turkey not only offers world class cuisine with thousands of delightful dishes, but is also the true birthplace of the tulip, not the Netherlands. And the icing on the cake, the cost of living here is merely 40% of what it is in the US. We will showcase all this in our travel documentary. Begin your adventure to explore Turkey right away. If there's one country that truly bridges East and West, it's Turkey. The nation extends across both Asia and Europe, with the Bosphorus Strait dividing the two continents. What's even more captivating is the Bosphorus Bridge. In just a few minutes, you can move from Europe to Asia, right in the heart of Istanbul, a rare experience indeed. Encompassing an area of 783,356 square kilometers. Turkey is larger than Texas but smaller than Alaska, boasting one of the most varied terrains worldwide. You can find emerald beaches akin to those in Florida, lush plateaus reminiscent of Scotland, and arid plains that bring to mind the American West. The climate here is also quite diverse. The Mediterranean coast enjoys warm, sunny weather year-round, similar to California. While in eastern Turkey, winters can be colder than New York or Chicago, with temperatures plummeting to minus 30 degrees Celsius. The official name of this nation is the Republic of Turkey. An interesting fact that not many people are aware of is that Turkey officially changed its international name to Turkey in 2022. But why did they take this step? The primary reason is that they wanted to avoid confusion with the bird known as turkey in English. For centuries, when Europeans discovered this bird, they mistakenly believed it was from Turkey, as these birds were imported through the country before reaching Europe. Consequently, both the country of Turkey and the bird ended up with the same name, which is a rather peculiar and unwelcome coincidence. Since 2022, the Turkish government has requested the United Nations to officially recognize the country's name as Turkey, a spelling that corresponds with its pronunciation in Turkish, helping them sidestep confusion with the bird and other unwanted associations. Turkey has a population of over 85 million, roughly comparable to that of Germany. The Turkish people constitute about 80% of the population, with the remainder being made up of Kurds, Arabs, Greeks, Armenians, and Jews, resulting in a multicultural society. The official language is Turkish, which may seem challenging, but is actually easier to learn than you might imagine. In the 1920s, Turkey underwent a significant language reform, moving from the intricate Arabic script to the Latin alphabet, which made reading and writing considerably simpler. Unlike English, which has numerous tricky pronunciation rules, Turkish is pronounced exactly as it is written. For instance, the word merhaba, hello, is pronounced just as it is spelled, without any silent letters or complicated pronunciations. If you have ever faced challenges with French or English pronunciation, Turkish will feel like a refreshing breeze. When you visit Turkey, you will be struck by the women who are considered to have some of the most enchanting beauty in the world. They are seen as a perfect blend of Eastern sharpness and Western elegance, placing Turkey at the top of his list of destinations with the most beautiful women globally. With photogenic faces and alluring body proportions, their deep-set eyes seem to tell a story spanning 1,000 years. Their thick black hair flows like the Bosphorus River, and they carry themselves with the dignity of Ottoman queens. Notably, they radiate a confident demeanor that is both graceful and strong, making it difficult for anyone to look away. It is no surprise that many beauty queens, supermodels, and world-renowned actresses hail from this country. However, the beauty of Turkish women lies not just in their appearances, but also in their captivating personalities. They are free-spirited, yet not reckless, modern, but still uphold traditional values. Women here cherish family like Italians, exhibit warmth akin to Spaniards, and possess the strength and decisiveness of Germans. They can be accomplished businesswomen, talented artists, or wonderful mothers, sometimes managing to be all of these at once. In this modern age, Turkish women confidently embrace the latest advancements in cosmetic technology. This is quite remarkable considering that Turkey is predominantly a Muslim country in the Middle East. While strolling through Turkey, one can observe numerous hair salons and extensive beauty spas dedicated to women. Interestingly, many men work in these spas throughout Turkey, with several gentlemen styling hair and creating trendy looks for the ladies. Nevertheless, whether it's natural beauty or fashion forwardness, Turkish women undeniably possess a captivating charm. If you'd like us to share some tips on connecting with Turkish girls through dating apps or social media platforms, or tricks to successfully win the heart of a Turkish girl, do leave a comment with the number 8. Here's an intriguing fact about Turkish women. Nearly 300 years ago, they had the legal right to divorce their husbands simply for not providing enough coffee. In Turkey, coffee is more than just a beverage. It holds a revered place in daily life. If a husband fails or refuses to serve coffee to his wife, it indicates a lack of attentiveness, granting women every right to leave. Today, while it's well known that Turkey boasts the world-famous Turkish coffee, the most consumed beverage in the country is actually tea. Remarkably, 96% of the population drinks at least 1 cup of tea daily, with the average Turk consuming about 3 kilograms of tea each year. An astonishing statistic, even surpassing that of England or Japan. Unlike Japan's green tea or Taiwan's bubble tea, Turkish tea has a robust flavor and is served in exquisite tulip-shaped glasses. More than just a beverage, tea represents hospitality in Turkey. If you receive an invitation for a cup of tea at a Turkish home, it is more than a casual gesture. It signifies respect and a sincere connection. For those hoping to meet elegant and charming Turkish women, tea houses are the perfect spot. Here, amidst animated conversations, laughter, and the delightful aroma of tea, you might find groups of women seated together, gracefully raising their tea glasses, their bright eyes twinkling with life. They may invite you over for a cup of tea as a warm welcome or simply to spark an engaging conversation. A shared glance, a gentle smile, and the stories could unfold for hours over steaming cups. You might be curious why tea in Turkey is served in tulip-shaped cups. Interestingly, tulips did not originate in the Netherlands, but in Turkey itself. Turkey is indeed the birthplace of the tulip. While history does not specify the exact location where tulips were first cultivated in Turkey, locals popularized the flower and helped it find its way to Europe. Before long, it became part of the phenomenon known as tulip mania, reaching its peak in February 1637, during the reign of Süleyman Darfus. Today, Istanbul hosts an annual tulip festival, transforming the city into a vibrant canvas adorned with millions of blooming tulips. Additionally, the festival showcases thrilling cultural activities such as art exhibitions, musical performances, and traditional craft stalls. The air is filled with delightful aromas and laughter, turning Istanbul into an unmissable destination for spring travel in Turkey. As summer approaches, Cappadocia becomes even more enchanting with its hot air balloon festival in July. Hundreds of vibrant balloons ascend into the sky, creating a spectacular sight. Not only can visitors relish the stunning landscape from impressive heights, but they also have the chance to take part in balloon competitions and enjoy concerts beneath the starry sky. These attractions draw around 50 million international visitors to Turkey every year. Now, what about the cost of living here? Living in Turkey provides an affordable lifestyle, especially compared to the United States or Western Europe. On average, a single person can expect to spend around $580 to $790 per month, depending on their lifestyle choices. This covers essential expenses such as housing, utilities, food, and transportation. Renting a one-bedroom apartment in a city center typically costs about $378 per month. Choosing a place outside the city center can lower this expense to roughly $269 monthly. Monthly utilities including electricity, heating, cooling, water, and garbage services for an 82 square meter apartment range from $16 to $32. High-speed internet access adds an additional 391 to 642 meals per month. Dining out is economical. A meal at a budget restaurant averages around 500, while a three-course dinner for two at a mid-range eatery costs approximately 2,300. Monthly grocery expenses are estimated at 21,000. Public transport is efficient and pocket-friendly with a monthly pass costing between 500 and 900. For those who prefer taxis, the fare is roughly 13 to 26 per kilometer. Staying fit is also affordable with monthly gym memberships priced between 400 and 800. Healthcare services are reasonably priced as well. A dental checkup typically ranges from 4 to 30 to 8 to 50. Overall, Turkey's cost of living is about 72% lower than that in the United States, making it an appealing destination for those looking for a high quality of life at a budget. With these expenses, would you consider settling here? If yes, select 1. If no, select 0. Please share your answer in the comments below. When in Turkey, don't miss out on its gorgeous beaches. With the longest coastline in the Mediterranean, Turkey boasts over 8,000 kilometers of stunning coastline across the Mediterranean, Aegean, Black Sea, and Sea of Marmara, making it home to some of the most breathtaking beaches in the region. Here you'll find some of the world's most beautiful beaches, attracting millions of visitors each year. Antalya, known as the Riviera of Turkey, is famous for its fine white sand and turquoise waters. Bodrum, with its lavish marinas, is a popular destination for Europe's affluent elite. If you're on the lookout for a natural wonder, then Oludeniz is the perfect spot for you. It is regarded as one of the most stunning beaches in the world, marked by its vibrant blue waters and impressive mountain vistas. Notably, it is a haven for paragliding enthusiasts, offering exhilarating experiences while gliding over the sea. If you are fond of Florida or California in the US, you will be amazed by the natural allure of Turkey's beaches, which come at a fraction of the cost you'd incur elsewhere. Moreover, Turkey hosts one of the oldest and largest indoor markets in the world. The Grand Bazaar in Istanbul, which was established in 1455, right after the Ottoman acquisition of Constantinople, has transformed over the span of half a millennium into a vast complex comprising 61 streets, with more than 4,000 shops spread over an area of 30,000 square meters. According to Travel Plus Leisure, the Grand Bazaar was the top tourist attraction globally in 2014, with more than 91 million visitors. Interestingly, only men are permitted to sell goods here. As you step inside, you'll feel as if you have walked into a vibrant maze filled with stalls, offering exquisite Turkish carpets, glittering jewelry, aromatic spices, and charming lanterns. Enthusiastic vendors will invite you to enjoy complimentary tea while you haggle over prices, a shopping culture that you won't encounter in the West. A must-visit destination on your journey through Turkey is the village of Halfiti, which is the only place in the world where black roses grow naturally. These flowers are not genetically modified like those found in the Netherlands. They flourish purely because of the unique soil and microclimate along the Euphrates River. Interestingly, these roses don't start out black. They begin as a deep red and gradually change to a mysterious black as summer approaches. Halfiti possesses a surreal beauty that feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Ancient stone buildings line the deep blue waters, and amidst this picturesque setting, the elegant black roses stand out as a unique symbol. They are often affectionately referred to by names like Arabian Bride or Arabian Beauty, which adds to their allure. If you have the opportunity to visit in summer, you'll witness the enchanting transformation of this one-of-a-kind rose. Another historically fascinating site is Mount Ararat, located in eastern Turkey, which has long been believed to be where Noah's Ark came to rest after the Great Flood. This destination is particularly appealing for archaeology enthusiasts and those interested in mythology. Additionally, the ancient city of Troy, associated with the famous tale in Homer's Iliad, is also situated in Turkey. Today you can visit to admire the ruins of one of the most legendary cities in human history, once the epicenter of the tragic Trojan War. Turkey is truly a vast cultural treasure trove, boasting 13 UNESCO World Heritage Sites and 62 sites currently awaiting approval, which is quite an impressive figure. From Göbekli Tepe, the oldest temple in the world dating back over 11,000 years, to the ancient city of Ephesus, which was a significant center of trade and religion during the Roman period. Each site narrates an enthralling tale about this nation's glorious past. Notably, Gallipoli holds the historical significance of the fierce battles fought during World War I, attracting millions of visitors every year. However, it's not just about historical heritage. Turkey is also a paradise for nature lovers and winter sports enthusiasts. The Palandöken mountain range features the longest natural ski slopes in Europe, offering world-class skiing experiences. If you believe that Paris or Rome are the most mysterious cities, think again and visit Cappadocia. This region is home to one of the largest underground city systems in the world, with the town of Derinkuyu capable of accommodating up to 20,000 people at once. The underground tunnels, churches, storage rooms, and even wine cellars make this place a true architectural marvel. Additionally, you can travel from Europe to Asia in just a few minutes right in Istanbul. This city is not only a crossroads of two continents but also boasts one of the most unique transportation systems in the world, the Tunnel Funicular, which was established in 1875 and is the second oldest metro system in the world after London. Furthermore, the modern Marmaray railway line makes it quite convenient to cross the Bosphorus Strait. Turkey is strategically located between two continents and is also recognized as one of the largest aviation centers in the world. Istanbul Airport, one of the busiest airports globally, connects to over 260 destinations across 6 continents, more than any other airline. This means you can travel to almost any part of the world without needing to transit through Europe or the Middle East. Notably, Turkish Airlines, the national carrier of Turkey, has been honored as the best airline in Europe for several consecutive years. The airline is famed for offering some of the best in-flight meals worldwide, serving exquisite Turkish cuisine even in economy class. If you've ever enjoyed succulent grilled kebabs or delectable baklava while flying, that experience is unique to Turkish Airlines flights. If you believe Istanbul is the capital of Turkey, you are mistaken. The actual capital of the country is Ankara, a modern and vibrant city full of surprises. While not as bustling as Istanbul, Ankara serves as an important political, cultural, and historical hub. It is home to the mausoleum of Ataturk, the highly esteemed father of the Turkish nation, an impressive architectural landmark that draws millions of visitors each year. The city also boasts prominent museums like the Museum of Anatolian Civilizations, which displays artifacts dating back thousands of years. Ankara is not just rich in history, but also stands out for its traditional markets, delicious food, and modern lifestyle. If you're looking to experience a different side of Turkey, do make it a point to visit this vibrant capital. Moreover, Turkish cuisine is a journey you simply cannot afford to miss. It is among the richest and most inviting cuisines globally, seamlessly blending flavors from the Middle East, the Mediterranean, and the Balkans. Remarkably, Turkey boasts over 1,100 traditional dishes, ranging from the famous kebabs and sweet baklava to steaming hot tea served in small tulip-shaped glasses. If you think Italian pizza is something special, you must try pide, Turkey's version of pizza featuring a crispy crust and generous toppings of meat and cheese. Additionally, the Grand Bazaar Spice Market in Istanbul is a treasure trove where you can explore hundreds of spices, olives, pistachios, and specialty nuts. Turkey is famed not only for its delectable food, but also for its rich culinary culture, where every meal becomes a delightful experience of flavors and togetherness. Here's something interesting for pet lovers. Turkey is known to be one of the most animal-friendly countries in the world. At an animal rescue shelter, disabled dogs receive compassionate care and can enjoy rides on a special train designed just for them. The sight of these joyful dogs sitting on a mini train that travels around the shelter truly makes it a paradise for animals. You can also visit Turkey's most famous cat, Glee, the queen of Hagia Sophia. For 16 years, Glee has made her home within the ancient walls of this iconic structure, becoming its very soul. With her sparkling blue eyes and proud stance, Glee has even drawn the attention of both President Barack Obama and President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, who took a moment to pet her. She boasts her own Instagram account with tens of thousands of followers. Furthermore, here's a little known fact: Santa Claus does not actually originate from the North Pole, but has ties to Turkey. Saint Nicholas, the historical figure behind this legend, was born in Patara, a southwestern coastal city in Turkey during the 3rd century. From a kind priest who assisted poor children, he evolved into a beloved symbol of Christmas around the globe. Turkey is also regarded as the cradle of human agriculture. Around 11,000 years ago, the first seeds of wheat and barley were sown in this land, laying the groundwork for the world's agricultural civilization. Presently, Turkey remains a leading producer of grains, with nearly 50% of its territory dedicated to agriculture, ensuring that the people do not depend on imported food. Besides its rich agricultural bounty, Turkey is also a haven for biodiversity, boasting over 10,000 plant species and 80,000 animal species. A new plant species is discovered every 10 days. If you are a nature lover, make sure to visit the 6 bird preserves, which are home to 475 rare bird species. In Turkey, you can feel safe, as it is considered one of the most secure countries in the world. According to the Global Peace Index, Turkey has a significantly lower crime rate compared to well-known tourist spots in Europe. Notably, tourist cities like Antalya, Cappadocia, and Izmir consistently rank among the safest places, thanks to robust security measures and friendly locals. Visitors can freely explore historic streets, visit local markets, or enjoy late-night hours at tea houses without any concern. Additionally, the Turkish government makes substantial investments in transport, healthcare, and emergency services, ensuring that every visitor has a delightful and safe experience in this beautiful country. By now, you may be thinking about planning a trip to Turkey, or even considering retirement here. Remember to get your documents and visa application ready for your journey to Turkey. Traveling to Turkey is indeed an exciting experience, and knowing the visa process is crucial for a smooth trip. For US citizens, Turkey has an e-visa system that allows travelers to secure a visa online before their departure. This electronic visa permits stays of up to 90 days within a 180-day period for tourism or business activities. The application process is quite simple. Just visit the official e-visa website, fill in the required details, Antam Yetes, and pay the fee through a credit or debit card. Approval is usually quite fast, often within 24 hours. Citizens of European countries from the Schengen area can also take advantage of the e-visa system under similar conditions. However, nationals from certain countries may need to apply for a visa through Turkish embassies or consulates. For those considering retirement or long-term residency in Turkey, a residence permit is required. Applicants must submit documents such as proof of income, health insurance, and a valid passport. The initial permit is typically granted for 1 year and can be renewed thereafter. It is advisable to consult the Directorate General of Migration Management or the nearest Turkish consulate for comprehensive details on the requirements and procedures. Navigating Turkey's visa and residency processes is generally straightforward, allowing you to focus on exploring the rich history, culture, and landscapes that this unique country has to offer. We have explored the experience of living in Turkey together, and we hope you'll join us on our next adventures to discover the world. Until next time.